Hi, last week I cut my hair. I did not really cut my hair last week. I went to the hairdresser's and the hairdresser cut my hair for me. I had my hair cut. And it is this structure that I would like to concentrate on this lesson. How to say that somebody else did something for you. When we talk about somebody else doing something for you, we use the verb have. So we're going to look at the verb have using the phrase have a cup of coffee. So if I say, I am having a cup of coffee in an hour, this means that I am talking about now, I'm talking about one time, so therefore I say, I am having a cup of coffee in an hour. This is the present continuous. If I say I have a cup of coffee every day, I am talking about now, but I am talking about more than one time, which is why I use the present simple and I say I have a cup of coffee every day. If I have a word like yesterday in my sentence, I would say I had a cup of coffee yesterday. Here I say I had because I am using the past simple. I did it one time in the past and that one time has gone. And if I am talking about doing something in the past but I do not give you a specific time, then I say I have had a cup of coffee. This is the present perfect, and we use the present perfect when we are talking about the past tense, but we do not have a time. So let's recap. I am having a cup of coffee in an hour. I have a cup of coffee every day. I had a cup of coffee yesterday, and I have had a cup of coffee. Now we need to add a past participle. Now, a past participle is the third row of the verb tables. So if you have the verb repair, you say repair, repaired, repaired. When I am teaching, I always put have before the third row so that we know that it is a past participle and we know that we use it with the present perfect. I have repaired. I have repaired my car. Of course, I have not repaired my car because I am hopeless with cars. I want to learn, but at the moment I am hopeless with cars. So I took my car to the garage and I got the mechanic to repair my car. So let's look at how I can talk about my car being repaired by somebody else in our 4 tenses. If I say I am having a coffee in an hour, I am the subject and the coffee is the direct object. If I am talking about my car being repaired, I say I am having my car repaired in an hour. We use I am having, then the direct object, and then the past participle repaired. I am having my car repaired in an hour. Now, I have a coffee every day, but I do not go to the garage every day. I go to the garage every year. I have my car repaired every year. If we're talking about the past tense, we say, I had my car repaired yesterday. This is one time in the past and the time has gone. And if we do not have a time and we're talking about the past, then we say, I have had my car repaired. We can say, I have already had my car repaired, or I have just had my car repaired, or I have never had my car repaired. These are 3 signal words that we can use when we're talking about the present perfect. So all we have to do is change the verb have to suit the time in the sentence. And we have to add the past participle, which is the 3rd row of the verb tables. If we have the verb cut, this is easy because it does not change. We say, I cut my hair every day, I cut my hair yesterday, and I have cut my hair. Of course, I would not cut my hair because then I would look like a muppet. So I say, I have my hair cut every day. I had my hair cut yesterday. I have had my hair cut. And of course, we do not just talk about me, we can talk about other people. If we do our nails, the verb is do. Do, did, done. So done is the past participle. So I can say, my friend is having her nails done in an hour. My friend has her nails done every month. My friend had her nails done last week. And my friend has had her nails done. Or my friend has just had her nails done. Or my friend has never had her nails done. I hope you found this lesson useful, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.